Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by quickly assessing the lock so you know what you're dealing with: deadbolt, cylindrical knob, or mortise. Once identified, remove the interior trim or screws now. That gives immediate access to the mechanism. Use a flashlight and small mirror to inspect broken cam, snap tailpiece, or stripped screw. Make sure to keep screws in a small container and lubricate before further disassembly to ease removal. This first move prevents extra damage and prepares you for replacement parts. You now focus on removing the damaged parts carefully. Once done, unscrew the mounting hardware and separate the knob or cylinder body so you can see the tailpiece and cam. If the tailpiece is snapped, use long nose pliers or a pick to grab fragments. Steady pressure prevents push-through damage. Make sure to note spring locations and any retaining clips so reassembly restores function. If tumblers are misaligned, gently realign them before pulling the cylinder out completely to avoid jam. You finish by installing the correct replacement cylinder or tailpiece, making sure it matches the old unit. Once in place, torque screws snug but not over-tightened so components can move. Then test the lock 5 to 10 times with the key and knob to seat parts and reveal binding. If the latch rubs the strike plate, file or reposition the plate slightly for smooth travel. If binding or intermittent failure continues, stop and consult a professional locksmith to avoid damaging the door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.